Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you again. So in this video I'm going to show you I'll be doing a short tutorial of how to carve your brows. As you can see, my brow is kind of bushy and full, so I'm going to show you how to carve your brows. To carve your brows you need a very thin um like a very thin blade. I'm making use of this Gillette blade. It's very thin and easy to manage. That's why I'm going to be making use of it. Very easy to manage and very flexible. Then you're also going to be needing a spoolie brush to help you bring out the excess of hair on your brows. Then I'll be using shea butter to lay it down and make it easy to carve. God, I'm breaking out. So firstly, I'm going to use the spoolie brush to brush out my brows, like so. Do the same for the other one. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to make use of my shea butter to lie everything down, just a bit. I think we should come forward so that, yeah, I think that's better. I'm just going to do same for the side of my eyebrow. I think that's, so yeah, that's it. So I'm going to start carving my brows from here down. So I'm going to pull my brow a bit up, and I'm just going to take it down. Like so. So that's that for below my brows. I think there's still a bit of a hair here, so I'm just going to cut that out. Like so. So for the top of the brows, you come down, from, like I said, I'm just going to wipe that out. you feel like there's still excess of a hair, you can just go in a little bit more and get rid of the excess hair, like so. Just going to wipe it again. So guys, that's how I carve my brows. Just look at the difference between this